Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm presenting to you my naked and famous Elephant X, which I bought last November 2021, and I was able to unbox this item in this YouTube channel on December 1st of 2021. And since then, it was stuck in my locker and I was not able to use it immediately. But after the conclusion of the year 3 Denim Fade competition, which is the Indigo Invitational, I used this pair as my bridge denim pair before the start of year 4 Indigo Invitational Denim Fade competition. So I presented this item 9 months ago on its first soak and first wash. And since then, I've used it for about 4 months. And then I just left it unused because I concentrated using my Iron Heart in the year 4 Indigo Invitational Denim Fade competition. And I'm showing to you what happened after 9 months. And to accumulate all the number of days that I was using this particular jeans, I think it would accumulate to about 5 months, or which is equivalent to 150 to 160 daily use, or 160 times using these jeans as my daily wear. So you have some fading that is appearing on this selvage denim, and after this video I intend to have its second wash, and you have a lot of creases on the front, and then you can see some fading on the butt and on the groin area. So this is a 20 ounce per square yard in weight, and at first it was heavy and it's starchy, but I was able to break in this jeans after using it for almost 3 months straight as part of my bridge pair. So we will see if I'm going to use this as a bridge pair again after the conclusion of the year 4 Indigo Invitational, which will end this December 31st of 2024. I'm satisfied with the result of the fading on this particular jeans. By the way, the cut of this jeans is the word cut, and you can see a lot of activities being done on the butt portion of the jeans. At the right, you can see that there is an impression of my wallet, and on the left, there is a coin on the left pocket. And I'm really satisfied with the creases and honeycombs that are forming behind my knees. They are very, very distinct and very regular, because the word cut has a tapered legs. You have also very nice fading on the belt loops, on the area where I use my belt and of course a very nice patina on the leather patch. Before it was very vegetable tan in color, but now it's turning brown. So you see a lot of activities on the edges of the pockets on the butt portion, and you have a line also and creases and more distinct creases and honeycombs on the portion behind the left knee, and of course some creases on the hem. Yes, you can see the edge of my wallet rubbing, and of course at the butt and the groin area you have a lot of things happening, and there is a line of crease on the upper legs which had been very distinct in my past update of these jeans. I am happy to have these jeans as this is my first naked and famous jeans, and I was attracted to the elephant edition of this Selvis denim to the point that I have another two waiting for me to use. I have the elephant 11 and the elephant 13. Nice creases and nice fading on the side of the leg portion, and I'm excited to see what will happen after I'm going to wash it for the second time. Very nice, very distinct, nice honeycombs, and this will be another epic faded denim jeans, and I'm really excited for the developments. All my naked and famous jeans are all in the elephant edition, and because I'm fan of the heavyweight, I have my elephant 11 in 20 ounces and then the elephant 13 in 22 ounces, and I like the stiffness and the heaviness of the fabric. Thank you for watching.